Hippie! Hi! So I bought a dog trailer a while ago. Dogs seem to like it. And I did some upgrade on it. Still a work in progress though. I had a fairly rough year and a half with a few dogs of mine dying and not being able to do certain tours and whatnot. But at least work-wise, it started to get quite good. I established myself in the place where I'm living, so that's always good. So I decided on, basically before that I was really contemplating rehoming the majority of my still running dogs and just live with 1 or 2 dogs for a long time. You know, because I can't be without any dog, that's not working. But in the end I kind of couldn't do it, so I decided on buying a smaller trailer, so I'm a little bit more nimble, you know, 5 running dogs that I have. So I decided on buying a 4-dog trailer because that is fairly small. I will probably load the dogs up once in a while and stay there, you know, camp out and have a good time. For now, I'm gonna sleep in a car still, but probably gonna get a roof box at some point, which will be next to my roof box. But those items are expensive, as you probably know. Anyway, so 4 boxes. The reason why I bought it is because those ones, the WT metal ones, they are the most reliable ones, and they also have an electric fan system in there, so tons of space. So and they're super robust. So for a long period of time I wanted to build one, but the problem always is, like, if you're buying a normal trailer and then just putting some boxes on top, plywood boxes, so it works, but it's not really that good. It's actually not that much cheaper, because a normal loading trailer, if you buy one, that is usually quite expensive as well. So with all the material costs and everything, you're sometimes even better off with this, with something like this, if you can get a really good deal. In this case, I did. That was pretty amazing, actually. It was way cheaper than one would think, because I paid probably about €1,000 less than what you would normally find. So that was pretty amazing. So did a little road trippy of 500 kilometers down, 500 up to get it, but well, that's what it costs. And it costs a lot with that fucking car. There you go. Buddy? Bloody idiot, huh? Bloody idiot.